Alrighty, this is the intersection of Foothill Boulevard and Euclid Avenue in Upland, California. And this is 7:50 in the morning. So, and this is within what is daylight savings time. So outside of daylight savings times, AU94S75 paper plate. This will be 6:50 a.m. prior to daylight savings time, relevant to documentation that's already captured. 7:50 in the morning, I am on Holt Boulevard at the bus stop in front of Shiro's Liquor, and the entity is hovering a light source directly over me. I'm also on the bus, Route 61 at this time, and I'm on that bus. The bus is driving eastbound on Holt Boulevard, which is not in perfect alignment with where I'm standing on Foothill Boulevard in Upland, California. And you have what is, again, the pattern of keeping a light source in alignment with me. I also got on that same exact bus stop that I was at yesterday at 12:29 p.m. and the entity keeping that light source in perfect alignment with me at that bus stop in Ontario, going in the same direction that I have captured at 8:30 in the morning. Then again at 10:30 in the morning from the same bus stop to the same destination, Upland Public Library. We're speaking to and revealing what is not the sun, that is inconsistent placement, but consistent documentation of what is stalking with a light source that's not possibly the sun, as it is not remaining present over the Upland Public Library as I arrived there hours later, which I've documented over the past few days. All of this is speaking to what is not the sun that's over the Fontana Lewis Library. But that was already established when the entity has been stalking with a light source while I remain at the Ovid Family Community Library, all right? And even before that, but this is speaking to what is an ongoing established pattern. 7:50 in the morning, this is not what I can see. This is not possible of being captured while I'm in Ontario at the Shiro's Liquor, the bus stop for Route 61. And then I'm getting on Route 61 and street for street, turn for turn stalking. In addition, 7:50 a.m. while I am literally at the Ontario airport, and the bus is turning from driving west on Airport Drive and then turning onto Archibald to drive north, and that fake sun is in the window. Would not be able to see this from Foothill Boulevard and Euclid Avenue. This is stalking with a light source. And the entity is maintaining a light source over me while I am getting off of Route 83, which drove north of Euclid Avenue. This is the same direction where the entity is keeping the fake sun as I documented March 24th. And at this Bank of America, I'm here at approximately 8:56 in the morning, and I proceed to Chino, California on Route 83. The entity is keeping a light source over me, which is speaking to what is a state system of surveillance. And it is also relevant as I'm speaking to the ways in which these minions, because this is what this is, these are demons. This is a minion that's monitoring me, okay? Doing so under what is the direct light source. You don't have to know this demon's name. You know them by their presence in a demonic environment, monitoring, sitting in directed light. See that cellulite in her arms? It's covered with directed light. Group stalking, monitoring with communication device, and these are the same demons that molest with directed light while they're driving by under what is a light source that remains over me. 8BXY357. That is even light activity. Everything that these demons are doing in relevant position is facilitating group monitoring, which is in violation of existing federal law, and that is capturing, again, the demonic while a light source remains over me, which is in conflict with literally science. It's a scientific fact that that's not possibly the sun. It is currently 7:54 a.m. License 1370397, bus 1326. That's Route 66. This is P.O.C. I want you to see where I'm at because I documented this very heavily. This is, again, you're going to recall, this is the same Vons where the entity kept the fake sun over me at 6:37 p.m., which I documented. And this is literally the same parking lot, keeping it in alignment with me. That's impossible. It is 7:55 a.m., 6:36 p.m. That is not going to be the sun. That is presence remaining over and aiming light onto me exactly where I'm at that Vons. This is the light source that's remaining over. This is the P.O.C. stalking with light.